This is O'Neill from CarWiz. We're doing a video on this is restoring a black leather, it's a BMW 318i. We're gonna be trying this, which is Simonese tire and trim, back to black, wet look and tire trim. So I'm gonna be, you see how the seat looks before it's put on. So we're gonna be giving it a coat and seeing how it looks afterwards. We'll be back in a minute. This, talking about this product here, Simonese tire and trim clean. I showed you the video before, how the seat looked before, and this is how it looks. It gives the leather a nice wet, polished look, almost brand new. I'm amazed by how well the product did. One recommendation is that when I put it on the first time, I sprayed. It said to just spray and don't wipe. It left a lot of blotches and stuff like that. So I recommend when you put it on, when you spray, you give it about 5 meters. I spray to give it a little mist, and just give it a quick wipe off. And this, I did this with like 2 or 3 coats. As you say, it just looks really, really shiny, really, really polished. This is the back seat. I did also the doors as well. I did this side as well, and all these parts are like, the leather was really dull. It just looked dirty, grimy, and now it's a nice polished wet look. And I can just imagine after adding a couple more layers of this, it will give us a nice, you can see the steering wheel there. The steering wheel looked really, really dirty before, and it's just shine and polished now. Yes, I really recommend the product that I showed you. I'll put a link to it in the video.